Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company, and today is Monday, January 31st. Today is the last day of our 9th anniversary sale. So if you haven't had a chance to take advantage of that, we also have the sale available online. You just need to use the coupon code 9 is fine. No spaces, just the number 9 is fine. And that will get you 20% off pre-cuts, panels, and kits. If you're in the store, you can get 20% off pre-cuts, panels, kits, already cut fat quarters, and then also 20% off of all end of bolts, including sale fabrics. So that gives you a very hefty discount on things that were already on sale. Now today we have a really beautiful collection from Rashida Coleman-Hale for Ruby Star Society and Moda called Reign, R-E-I-G-N. And I want to read to you exactly what she said about her collection. In summer 2020, Rashida Coleman-Hale designed Reign. She says, "It was and is such a difficult time, not just for myself, but Black people all over this country, the planet. We were finally being seen, but for all the wrong reasons. I'm so amazed by my people and all of the things that we have managed to accomplish and overcome in this life, despite being subject to a system that wasn't built for us to succeed. Black people are kings and queens. I created Reign as a reminder to myself, my Black husband, my Black children, my Black relatives, my Black friends, my Black people, that we must own our power and remember who we are." This has beautiful, beautiful pops of gold in it. The tigers, leopards, whatever they are gold. I'm really bad with my big cats, I believe. And then we have these two beautiful floral prints where you can also see the gold shining through there. And then the other one is a white background. Hopefully you can see that. And the one thing I like about the first print, which I wasn't able to talk about because I was reading, is that all of these women have gold crowns and some of them have little gold shoes. So really, really love this collection. I think you could do a lot of fun projects with this. So that again is called Reign by Rashida Coleman-Hale for Ruby Star Society. Next up, our first of our Riley Blake table topper kits has come in. I guess there's no up on this one. This is called Spring Bunnies. This is the April table topper of the 12 table topper kits that Riley Blake is offering this year. So this is the first one to arrive. This is what the box looks like. So adorable. This quilt was actually made by our own Ina. And then this is what it looks like once you get inside. You get all of the fabric, all pre-cut in this cute little box, which is really very nice. Like you could definitely, it has a magnetic closure. You could definitely use that box again. I love little containers and boxes and things. So the way the Riley Blake table topper topper of the month kits work at Cary Quilting is you may either buy them separately, or we also have a program where you can subscribe and get every one of the 12, and that's going to be a one-time fee and it signs you up for all of them. So maybe you like all of them, maybe you have a great table in mind where you can change it out every month, maybe you only like a few. This would be a very adorable baby quilt for a spring baby, but either way we're going to have it for you here at the shop. So I will put details about both versions of how to get these kits on the description of the video, as well as a link to the Reign collection, a link to our anniversary sale, and a link to the UFO Club. Today is the last day to get quilts registered for our UFO Club. So big stuff happening today. I hope that you have a great day. I hope that you've been able to participate with us in our sale. We have some unbelievable prize baskets for online shoppers and for in-shop shoppers. So I hope that you get a chance to participate because somebody is going to get a really great prize basket. A few people are going to get great prize baskets at the end. Have a great afternoon, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.